Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Just wanted to attempt this lock. Check it out with some Jimylongs. These are my tools I'm going to be using to attack it. The new rake from Jimmy, one of his feelers. I believe that's the thickest gauge, the 50 thousandths. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the lock. Keys are on here, never been taken off. We'll check out the bidding afterwards, but it's a master lock. M50, 9 security level according to master lock, but we all know how that goes. So, no further ado, let's try to get her open. And you can see it's locked. Reset it there. Probably overset one or two of them. Oh, there we go. So when it works really fast. There it is again. We'll try to see if we can't get it once more for you guys. Oh, jeez. Well, apparently we're getting really good at it now. I don't think the bidding is probably very difficult, but it's a very effective rake, especially when you get the method down. Alright, well, I think you've seen enough of that. Once again, that's what we use to attack it with. And I'll show you the keys. Let's check out that bidding. Yeah, not very complex, that's for sure. But there you go. That's the master lock, security number 9 out of 10. What do you guys think? These are found all around the US, everywhere else. Very common lock. Used for trailers, storage units, things like that. We put a lot of trust in that, or, well, the average person puts a lot of trust in a product like this to protect their valuables and things like that, and they're being sold a pretty false sense of security, if you ask me. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it as always. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Have a nice evening.